Bring Us Our Rights, Disabled People's Manifesto. Disability Wales is the national association of disabled people's organisations striving to achieve rights and equality of all disabled people. We at Disability Wales want to ensure that the next 5 years are spent building a society in which disabled people's rights are realised and upheld. So, in collaboration with disabled people from across Wales, we are proud to present our 6 asks to political parties in Wales ahead of the Senedd Cymru elections in May 2021. Call 1. Adopt the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Disabled People, UNCRDP. The UNCRDP is a disabled people's international human rights agreement that was developed in collaboration with disabled people and their organisations to provide a framework on how to govern in a way that is inclusive to disabled people and provides a set of principles to be followed: respect, dignity, equality, and freedom. Adopting the UNCRDP would mean that the impact on disabled people would be considered for every law and policy developed by Welsh Government and passed through the Senedd. The UNCRDP provides a framework to allow whoever adopts it to understand the action that needs to be taken and the standards that should be met. Adopting the convention would enable a significant change. By adopting the UNCRDP, all of the 5 other asks and many of the issues raised by disabled people that could not fit into this manifesto would be addressed. Disability Wales calls for a commitment to incorporate the UNCRDP into Welsh law, support local authorities to enforce actions resulting from its adoption, explore establishing a Disabled People's Commissioner to further ensure enforcement, support the establishment of Disabled People's Organisation in every local authority in Wales and build on the DPO emergency funding to develop the capacity of DPOs across Wales. Call 2. Awareness. A major concern from disabled people we spoke to was the lack of awareness of issues related to disabled people. Awareness is covered as a key area in Article 8 of the UNCRDP, calling on those who adopt it to raise awareness and combat stereotypes affecting disabled people. It also sets out measures to show how this can be done. Disability Wales calls for commitment to programmes that raise public awareness of disability rights issues and the concerns of disabled people, including the school curriculum, professional training schemes and employer initiatives. Ensuring that the Minister with responsibility for equalities gives regular media briefings on progress with tackling inequality, including in relation to disabled people. Encourage disabled people to participate in political life by signing up to the Access to Elected Office Fund. Call 3. Social care and independent living. Many disabled people we spoke to told us that they have experienced issues with their ability to live independently. We have been told that disabled people in Wales have a great difficulty in accessing social care, and this has had a major impact on their ability to achieve independent living. Independent living enables us as disabled people to achieve our own goals and live our own lives in the way that we choose for ourselves. Article 19 of the UNCRDP would commit Wales to ensuring that policy, legislation and service delivery facilitate independent living. We call for commitment to ensuring that the framework for action on disability, the right to independent living, is regularly reviewed, updated and implemented in co-production with disabled people and disabled people's organisations. Commit to supporting local authorities to develop and deliver services in co-production with disabled people and disabled people's organisations which fulfil the right to independent living. Call for health. Many disabled people we spoke to told us about issues that they have faced in the health system, that it needs to be more patient-driven and work better with disabled people. Article 25 of the UNCRDP would commit Wales to a truly accessible health service. Disability Wales calls for commitment to ensuring disability equality training is mandatory for regional partnership boards, local health boards, healthcare staff, and addresses intersectionality, including issues affecting disabled women, BAME disabled people, and LGBT+ disabled people. Work co-productively with citizen representatives and service users, especially those for whom English or Welsh is not their first language, to ensure person-directed planning. Call 5. Jobs. Employment has been a major concern for many disabled people who we spoke to. Article 27 of the UNCRDP recognises the rights of disabled people to work and enjoy a job market that is open and accessible to them. By adopting the UNCRDP and these asks, we can work towards a Wales which provides opportunity for its disabled workforce. Disability Wales calls for commitment to Welsh Government providing a beacon of best practice as an employer of disabled people. Make disability equality training mandatory at all levels of government and public bodies. Ensure the economic contract with employers and businesses in Wales incorporates enforceable measures to tackle the disability employment gap. Protect the rights of disabled people in the workplace through ensuring access to discrimination advice services. Working in co-production with disabled people and their organisations create benchmarks to demonstrate good practice for employers. Call 6. Housing. Access to quality, suitable housing was also a key issue that arose from our research. Should the UNCRDP be adopted into Welsh law, Article 28 would provide guidance for creating housing that is suitable for all and begin the work towards a Wales where no one has to worry about accessing appropriate housing. Disability Wales calls for commitment to accessibility standards for social housing in Wales to be developed in co-production with disabled people and their organisations. Ensure that local authorities and property developers comply with these standards. To provide disability equality training to support staff, including working with non-verbal disabled people and alternative methods of communication. To review the age requirement regarding social housing allocations. Conclusion. We see a desire for the voices of disabled people to be heard in the Senedd, from both disabled people and politicians themselves. By adopting the UNCRDP and our asks, we can work towards a future Wales where everyone, regardless of impairment, has full access to the world around them, can engage with their community and does not need to worry about the quality of their services. We believe that this future is possible. These are the building blocks that must be cemented in order to get there.